Hello, this is attorney Jamie Miller from Miller and Miller, and I want to welcome you to another Miller Minute. Today, we're going to talk about the top 6 positive reasons to think about filing for bankruptcy. Now, I don't want to create a situation where I always think bankruptcy is the most amazing things because there are problems and there are negatives that come up with filing bankruptcy. And in the future, I'm going to address those negatives. But for the purpose of this video, I really want to talk about the top 6 reasons why thinking about filing for bankruptcy is a great idea. So why is bankruptcy a good idea? Number one, debt goes away. It goes away completely. So if you are facing a foreclosure, or you have medical bills, or you have credit card bills, you have utility bills, perhaps you have an old eviction that's on your credit, or you have a repossessed car that was taken away and now you have a judgment from a pesky auto lender. We're going to be able to get rid of that debt in bankruptcy, clear it up off of your credit, and get you the fresh start. Okay, so the debt goes away completely. The next one is the automatic stay. The automatic stay is an injunction that we will immediately get for you on the day we file your case. So this is a day of filing injunction that stops the harassing phone calls. It stops the garnishment. It stops the creditors from bothering you. It'll stop a garnishment. It'll stop foreclosure. It'll stop eviction. Essentially, it's going to give you the breathing room that you need to move on and start rebuilding your credit and start rebuilding your life. So the injunction and the automatic stay is something that's really critical. The next one is relatively quick. We here at Miller & Miller really want to make this process as easy as possible for you. So if you come in today, you would call me today and say, I have an eviction hearing at 1 o'clock this afternoon, or I have a foreclosure hearing. We have the capacity to file a bankruptcy petition for you today at 414-336-7569. You can give us a call. So it's really quick. So we can file your case today. But the whole bankruptcy Chapter 7 process takes 90 days. Once that 90 days is over, we're going to start rebuilding your credit and make sure we get to that 720 credit score. Now, the next one is we may now be able to get rid of your student loans. Getting rid of student loans in bankruptcy has always been a huge challenge. But in November of 2022, we got a special guidance from the Department of Education and the Department of Justice that may allow you to discharge your student loans in bankruptcy. Give us a call. We're happy to talk to you about your specific situation and see if we can get rid of your student loans. The next one, when you file for bankruptcy, you can keep your assets. You're not going to lose anything. Your house will be protected. Your car will be protected. No one's going to take your household goods or take anything away from you. The purpose of the bankruptcy is to give you a clean, fresh start, not to take anything away from you. So the misnomer that you may hear from people is that if you file a Chapter 7, you're going to lose your assets. But the reality of it is you're not going to lose your assets. And the most important thing, the 6th factor and the 6th great reason to file for bankruptcy, you can get your credit score up to 720 within 18 to 24 months after your case is filed. Now, when you file for bankruptcy, if you don't have good credit, if your credit's in the high 500s, low 600s, you're really not going to see a drop in your credit score with the filing of a bankruptcy. But once we file your case and we clean up all of this debt off of your credit report and we get rid of all of the debt off of your judgment record, you're going to get the fresh start. We're going to enroll you in a 720 credit program that's going to get that credit score up to 720. And even more exciting, that's happened in the recent months at Miller & Miller, we've now partnered with Ash Auto Group that can also help you get a car day one after bankruptcy. And what's important about that is if you get a reasonable interest car loan after you file your bankruptcy and you start making your payments right away after the bankruptcy, those car payments are going to go towards improving your credit. So lots of exciting stuff and lots of great reasons to think about filing bankruptcy as we go into this new year. Give us a call today at 414-336-7569. Appreciate you listening in. If you like this video and you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. The more subscribers we have, the better. But give us a call, 414-336-7569. Happy to answer any of your bankruptcy questions today.